The golden ratio, often denoted as phi, or the divine proportion, is a captivating and enigmatic mathematical concept that has intrigued scholars, artists, and scientists for centuries. As an irrational number, approximately equal to 1.618033988749895, the golden ratio appears in a multitude of natural phenomena and human-made creations. In this exploration, we will delve into the beauty and wonder of the golden ratio, discovering its presence in nature, art, architecture, science, and more. To fully appreciate the golden ratio, it is crucial to understand the mathematics behind it. The ratio can be derived from the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. As you progress through the Fibonacci sequence and divide each number by its predecessor, the quotient converges to the golden ratio. This exceptional proportion boasts fascinating properties, such as its appearance in continuous fractions and its relation to the golden rectangle, a rectangle with side lengths in the golden ratio. The golden ratio is pervasive in the natural world, appearing in the most unexpected places. From the arrangement of leaves on a stem to the spiral patterns of sunflower seeds, nature frequently employs this proportion to optimize growth and energy efficiency. Similarly, the golden ratio can be found in the dimensions of various animals, such as the human body, where the ratio of the height to the navel's distance is approximately equal to phi. This mathematical pattern is believed to have evolved as an efficient way for organisms to maximize space, light, and other resources. One of the most intriguing aspects of the golden ratio is its presence in the spiral patterns of various organisms. For example, the shell of the nautilus, a marine mollusk, follows a logarithmic spiral that approximates the golden ratio. This spiral allows the nautilus to grow while maintaining a constant shape. Similarly, the arrangement of seeds in sunflowers, pine cones, and other plants often follows a spiral pattern that adheres to the golden ratio, ensuring optimal exposure to sunlight and efficient seed packing. In the realm of art and architecture, the golden ratio has been employed to create visually appealing and harmonious designs. Notable examples include the Parthenon in Athens, the Great Pyramid of Giza, and Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man. Many artists and architects believe that the golden ratio provides a sense of balance and aesthetic beauty. By incorporating this proportion into their works, they aim to achieve a sense of harmony that resonates with the viewer. This concept can also be found in various art forms, such as music, where composers like Debussy and Bartók have utilized the golden ratio to structure their compositions. The golden ratio has been applied in numerous fields of science, including biology, chemistry, and physics. For example, the DNA molecule, the fundamental building block of life, has dimensions that exhibit the golden ratio. In the double helix structure of DNA, the ratio of the length of a complete turn to the width of the helix is close to the golden ratio, suggesting a possible role in the molecule's stability and function. Additionally, some scientists believe that the golden ratio can be found in the structure of the universe itself, as the distribution of galaxies and the cosmic microwave background radiation seem to follow this unique proportion. In recent years, the golden ratio has even made its way into the world of finance, with analysts using it to predict stock market trends and determine potential support and resistance levels. The concept of phi has been employed in trading strategies, such as the Fibonacci retracement, to help traders make more informed decisions. This technique is based on the idea that markets often retrace a portion of their previous move before continuing in the original direction, by using Fibonacci ratios, including the golden. In summary, the golden ratio is a captivating and enigmatic mathematical concept that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Its pervasive presence in nature, art, architecture, science, and even finance demonstrates the profound impact it has on our perception of beauty and harmony. Throughout this video, we have explored the astonishing examples of the golden ratio, revealing the elegance and intricacies of our universe. As we conclude, it is essential to recognize that while the golden ratio is undeniably fascinating, some claims about its prevalence have been exaggerated or based on misconceptions. It's crucial to approach the subject with a healthy dose of skepticism and critical thinking. Nevertheless, the golden ratio remains an intriguing and alluring concept that will undoubtedly continue to captivate the minds of those who study it. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the enigmatic world of the golden ratio. We hope this video has deepened your appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the patterns that surround us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content exploring the wonders of our world.